All right, I've decided to, I got my 5-cylinder done except for the ignition system. I need to find glow plugs and the ignition system. And until then, I'm just going to put it on hold on the back burner. I'm going to start the 9-cylinder and I'm going to see if I can get that one finished. That one there, the ignition system is a spark ignition with spark plugs. So that one will be easier when it comes to ignition, but it's going to take a lot more work before that. So anyway, I'm busy right now and I'm squaring up and sizing the blocks for the cylinder heads. So we can do that. We can look at that right there. And I'm missing well, we'll look for it later. But anyway, we are doing these, and right now we are cutting down, or starting we're cutting down the 750 diameter, or width. And that will be this way too. So anyway, I'm busy throwing chips, and as some of you know, I like throwing chips. So we're going to take this, put this in here. Crank her down a little bit. I'm going to move the camera over a ways. All right. Oh, safety glasses. Oop. Put my safety glasses. Put my safety glasses on. This here reminds me of work when I was working on the mill, and what they call the DRO, and the tool crib was quite a ways away, and I was busy like this making chips, making them fly, and they were flying all the way over to the tool crib window, and somebody was saying, well, geez, why are you working so hard, you know? You can slow down a little bit. And needless to say, I didn't slow down. So, but anyway, let's see, this has got about 200 thou to go, I believe. Come on. Two inches, 950. So, we'll take 100 at a time here. That last cut that I made was more like 250 thousandths. There's something hypnotic about this, that I like watching those chips come off of that cutter and fly. And that should be it. And we've got quite a few to do here. We've got 11 of them to finish up this way. And before I get on to the other side. 750, right on the money. Over here, 751. 751. So it's about 750, 751, which is fine. And I deburr my parts too, after my cuts and or after my cuts, so I don't have to file them before. There we go. Done. 2. All right, here we go. And with that, I'm going to cut away, and when I flip around to the other side, I'll come back. All right, now we're done with this side, this side, this side, and this side. So now we're gonna do the 2 and sides. So first thing we're gonna do is I put an end mill in. I put an end mill in the machine. Zoom in here a little bit. All right, I put an end mill in the machine, and we're going to put the part in there, clamping on 2 good sides. And we're going to take a cut like that, across that. So now, I'll just go through one all the way here. So now we take this cutter out. Put the shell mill back in. We'll just do one all the way through. Shell mill, where did I put it? Oh, I put it away. I put it away. Stick that up in there. Take these 2 parallels out. Give it a blow. And we need a parallel here. Short little parallel. And we take our part that we just milled the side on it. Now we're going to load it like this. And we're going to take a cut on the top. All right, now we're going to grab our square and we're going to make sure that this is square to all the sides here. Square, square. So it's good. So we'll go through all of them and cut the first side with an end mill. And then after that, then we'll take and cut the second side. Cut out the second side here, and then we'll be all set. We'll have this done, and then we will set up and mill the angles on here, or drill the holes. We'll drill the holes in it. So now we'll set it in there like this, mill it down to, so this one's done for the first side, first and second side. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead with an end mill, mill all the sides of them. When I come back to the shell mill again, I will be back with you on the camera again. For now, I'm gonna cut away. Okay, I just put the shell mill back in. We are about to start on the second half. And blow this out. Okay, got all the chips out. Put the shorter parallel in there. Put this on top of the parallel. Come over and there's one side done. Deburr this. in this way. And we'll see where we're at. See how much we got to take off. I'd say a couple hundred thousands. So we got 135,000. 135,000 to take off. So we can put it back in there. $135, so that would be 50, 100, 10, 20, 35, and set my 0. Smooth. I always look for a mismatch here, but there isn't any. One at 750, one at 750, one at 700, and just about one. There is one part done. All done. So now we can deburr the whole thing.
I thought I kept up with deburring these. There we go, one block complete. So we'll do that all over again. Only this time we have our 0 set, so we can take and put this in here. Drop it 50 thou. You know, we got to go a bit more. This one is shy material, but the rest of them will be easily taking it down to 100 thou. Will be fine. Deburr this one. Before I do the other side here. Okay. Take her up to 0. And another one done. And deburr it. I'm going to deburr it here, and then we'll take and check to make sure that it's right. There we go. $750, $749, $750, $750. This way, $752, 2, 2, and 2. And this is naturally, the overall is naturally 2 inches, 500. 2 of them are done. So now we'll cut away from the camera again, and what I wanted to say was this is going to work out good for these parts, and then drilling the holes will be next, and I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. I'm not sure, and I'll put the neon for that. Neon, or put it in like this, drill the hole all the way through, and then tip it up and drill and tap a hole. I don't know. I haven't crossed that bridge. But I did order some material. It's supposed to be here. Was supposed to be here yesterday. It'll be here tomorrow, I think. For the well, it's for the lower end. It's the housing for the lower end. There's a lot of work involved in that, and there's a lot of work involved in these too. That's why I was anxious to get started, and I wanted to start on the lower end, and I figured, well, I'll get this material rounded up, squared up, and to size before I work on it, before I work on the lower end. So anyway, that's how it's going here. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later.